Hakajing persang ban Pynduna ya Jingpyndonkam ya kikot hayeng Dorbar Tauan Khubor Menteri Rangba Khubor konrad ke sangma unsawanra ya Mangtyngka nagabenta kasinam arhajar arpusau hadu arpusan hakane ke Dorbar Mangtyngka kerkum ke Jukstar Digital Kabamenta. Ya budget speech laban yo na website jangka National Evidhan Application badru na website jangka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Dakani kesen jam pembenta kidi khot jangka yeng Dorbar Tauan Khubor kin sayo ya kajing tho lengba kitablet balabu na benta jongki hapo kayeng Dorbar. Nakaliang Commissioner and Secretary jangka Assembly Secretariat Dr. Andrew Simons. Ula ongba kani kesen jam kanong banwan ra ya thong ban Pynduna ya Jingpyndonkam ya kikot hayeng Dorbar.
Gearing up for the budget session 2024, I would like to highlight some of the innovative steps being taken for the session. Number one, the budget speech will be presented by the Chief Minister digitally for the first time during the budget session 2024. Number two, to reduce the usage of papers, the list of business, questions, motions, resolution, etc. Can be downloaded from the National E-Vidhan application and the Assembly website. Number three, MLAs are also given option of submitting questions, motions, resolutions, call attention, etc. online through National E-Vidhan application. Our goal is to make the Assembly paperless, and towards that direction, we are making every effort to cut down the usage of papers.